Welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to change time zone on Windows 11 PC. So let's start. First of all, log in to your Windows 11 PC. So once you log into your PC, then you can see the interface like this. Then right click on the desktop. Once you right click on the desktop, over here you can see the option personalize. So click on the option personalize. Once you click on the option personalize, you will be redirected to the settings section, and over here you can see the different options, and here is the option time and language. So click on the option time and language. Once you click on the option, over here you can see the time and language settings. Here is my current time, date, and this date and time is as per this time zone. Now I want to change my time zone. So to change your time zone, click on the option time zone. So you will be again redirected to this page, and over here you can see the option time zone, and here you can see the list. So click on the list. Once you click on the list, here you can see all the time zones which are present all over the world. Now you can search and select the time zone as per your choice. So in my case, I am selecting the time zone Eastern time zone, which belongs to US and Canada. So select the time zone, and over here you can see my time zone is changed, and you can also see the change in the time. So in this way we can change time zone on your Windows 11 PC. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.